Hello and welcome. Today I just wanted to show everyone my old, I guess to be a post anvil or stump anvil or striking plate that I put together for no money. This is all stuff I had laying around or scrap or the actual striking surface I was given. Now what we have here is a plate from a railroad tie from an old abandoned rail line that somebody gave me. I flipped it upside down, and what I did on two 6x6 posts, I set the posts. They were supposed to be level, but I encountered a boulder when I was digging down, and it's huge, and it's an awesome base. And the taller post is sitting right on top of it. The shorter base, I set down a little bit further until I got tired of digging, and I ended up bolting them both together. Initially I didn't have the vise on it, but I sort of changed the plan. I was sort of free-forming this as I was going. I put the plate on top here, let's call it the anvil surface. What I did was I had some 3-inch steel stock that I welded up along the edge, just a nice edge there. I snugged up the edge of the anvil. There's a little lip there up to the edge, so it was secured on the two surfaces now. I went around to the other side, which proved to be pretty difficult to get under. So what I did was I just tacked up the plate. Of course I pre-drilled those holes, tacked up the plate, and then I slid the entire surface up. Finished welded it all around, and when it cooled off, what I did was I came back around and I had some extra caulking, and I just put it all over the top of the post so that it would fill any voids and give a nice even surface to secure. I used lag screws, and I secured it nice and secure. And I let it cure for like 3 or 4 days. I didn't want any of that caulking sort of squishing out when I started hitting on it or heating it up. And then I noticed that this surface didn't have anything on it. And I happened to have an old vise, and I figured it would be perfect to mount here. One critical thing that I came up with during the process was to make the static jaw flush with the front surface of the post, and then also straight down, so it could have much longer stock inside the vise without anything interfering, the post interfering. It gets pretty close, especially when you have hot stock, and you can see the burns there, but it actually works out great. Forgive the spray paint. I was working on a project, a bit of overspray there, but 4-inch lag screws got it nicely situated on the extra surface that I didn't even initially mean to be there, but it worked out nicely. Now I was going to get rid of this and just go with the new anvil, but this thing is rock solid. Well, it's literally on a rock, but it's like there's nothing bad about it.